Hi my dear Vacher, how are you? What's up? You're welcome to this video. In this video, I want to tell you from what and at all by what things we can know our multifunction tester of our different electronic components tester or cell battery meter or cell battery voltmeter is working correctly. This model is T7 and the positive thing is these guides that I will tell to you is relevant to all of the multifunction testers from the T1 to any T like TX, from T1 to T7, that we are now in the year 2024. So here we go. Honest way is we should use electronic components that we completely sure about the amount of this component. We start with this. This is 6,800 microfarad capacitor. Also have 25 volt working range. If you rise or give this capacitor higher than 25 volts, this capacitor will explode. So here we go. First of all, a very basic and fundamental tip about this any multifunction tester models is please discharge any have static electricity component. My mean is any component that have static electricity on itself, please discharge it before you testing the details of that component with any model of the multifunction tester system. See? Easily. Finished. These multifunction tester systems, you should have domination to testing with these multifunction testers. These black and red wire are now this capacitor is between third pinout, that is black wire of this system, and onest pinout of this system, that is red wire. So here we go. You push start. Should please see it 6,800 microfarads. Now what we see here, we see 6,1763 microfarad plus additional details of this component, like fundamentally or basically ESR of any capacitor that you connected to this multifunction tester. So this capacitor is healthy, is right, and also this multifunction tester is right. If you want test more, you should have multimeter near this multifunction tester. You should test with the resistor meter, capacitor meter, and also voltmeter, and compare that result of your multimeter with your multifunction tester. So until now you have two ways that you can you can confident to tests of your multifunction tester at any model. Third way, is the seeing your multifunction tester's voltage should at last higher than 3.5 volts. That is that now is the 3.73 volts, that higher than 3.5 volts. Should between 3.5 volts and 4.5 volts or around these numbers. To turn off your any multifunction tester, you should push your fingers and hold about around 1.5 seconds. See? 1, 0, 1.5 seconds. Finished. Release your fingers. That your multifunction tester will turn off. Wait, I should tell you another impressive tips about these multifunction testers to you. Please don't trust by testing at maximum 2 components with this multifunction tester. Please test above 3 or at last 3 things with your multifunction tester with these 3 ways. At last 3 ways. Please don't trust to your tests of your multifunction tester just with testing 2 or 1. One is what? 2 is what? Please at last test 3 components with your multifunction tester. Okay? And best thing that I can give to you about this multifunction tester is the please test all of the function of this tester, all of the functions of this tester, not just capacitor metering, volt metering, or resistor metering, or transistor metering, or knowing its fully details. Also, another tip about this multifunction tester is the, as you can see, here we have IR portal or hole. What is this? If you have any control that is working with the infrared waves, you can push start and push your control television controllers buttons. That often of these controls is are in the past. As for the past televisions, I don't know the newest televisions controls have work with the infrared waves or not. At last, this was it. If you like this video or turned a useful video for you, if you think this video can turn to a useful video for you, please like this video, subscribe my channel. This channel is at all originally about electricity cosmos, everything around about electricity in different relevant until enough playlists. Oh my dear watchers, oh my dear watchers. At last, judge is yours. Anyway, thanks for your attention. Bye. Thank you.